Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. As you see, right now, I am in my new video space that I made. It's just a fort, just a little fort. I just want the view to look better. But today we're going to be talking about eating healthy part 2. I really had this in mind. So, I got this very good water. Water is very healthy, all types. But this one is even better. Seriously, it's amazing. It's very healthy. You know, water doesn't even have sugar. That's even better to your body. It makes you stronger like veggies and fruits. Even healthier. Yeah. But you still have to get that fit level up. All you need to do is drink water, eat healthy, go out for runs, fit up, level up. If you don't want to fit or do anything, you can just eat healthy. That still works for your body, Well, I recommend you to drink this water. It is amazingly good for the throat and very good for the stomach to digest food. It is very healthy. I recommend you to drink it. My mom has a other water. It's very good too, just like this one, but it's not the same label. It's not buy. It's something else. But it's the two water bottles. My brothers or my dad's, I don't know, and my mom's. They're really good. So I recommend you to try it. It's amazing. And in the next video, when I'm doing another fitness video, workout, maybe I can show you the fort about my fitness space over here. Comment down below if you want to see it. If you want to see it, comment down below, like and subscribe, and click the bell button. Thank you for watching. Stay healthy.